Yes, if you, I think there is a memory washout happens with you. I think it comes under manual testing. It comes under manual testing. In this lecture, we are going to see software development process. At whatever the lectures we have seen up till now, we have seen that testing is the one of the model of software development life cycle. But which software development life cycles are there available in the software industry nowadays? That we have to also know. Then and then we can understand the exact working of testing, because testing comes for the software development life cycle. It is not the software development life cycle. Okay. One more thing, be careful and attentive, because I am going to record all these things and I am going to ask the questions. As because of the network issue, it becomes late to us. Which here on your screen, there are different approaches of software development life cycle you can see. There are different 6 to 7 software development life cycle. What is this software development life cycle? It is the different processes which are followed to develop a ready software for customer, right, or for your client. Nowadays there is again a last one, agile development approach model is become popular one for the development of software. But before the agile development approach, I think too many people are requested to join the meeting. Just 1 minute. Okay, Pratibha Mane has joined, no matter. But before agile development, there were different 5 to 6 software development life cycle models present, and according to that the software industry they work up till now. But now agile development approach model, we are going to see agile, what is meant by agile. But before that, let's see one by one waterfall development approach or model, then iterative development approach or model. Keep in mind all these approaches, because in your university examination they will ask short note on different approaches of software development life cycle, or explain incremental development approach, or explain waterfall development approach. Like this in university examination they will ask. And my opinion from my side is that just do not memorize the things, please understand what they want to say, because it is a theoretical, I am repeatedly telling you this is a theoretical subject, but theoretical is too much difficult to understand. While listening the process, while listening the lecture, all the what we can say is design of that theory, the practical approach of that theory, there should be in your mind at the time of listening. Waterfall development, iterative development, incremental development, spiral development, prototyping development, rapid application development, these are the different software development life cycles or models up till now present for the development of software development. Okay, then just tell me, because is this visible now? Is this visible now? Because we are starting.
Yes, sir.
Very good. At least say to me yes, so I can understand, or it becomes two-way. Waterfall development approach. As why the name waterfall comes? Because it looks like, or it works like a waterfall. As we know that waterfall when it falls from the mountains, it falls step by step by step, right? So the working on a software development in some cases like step by step by step by step. So that's why called as waterfall development. Have you understand meaning why waterfall is used? That's why there is a no meaning of waterfall. Why waterfall is used? That's why waterfall is used, because it is step by step by step for following of concepts. First, in waterfall, first the step comes customer, means customer is the first step in waterfall development approach. And why? Because all the requirements, please see here, all the requirements comes from the customer side. Oh sir, we know these things. The customer gives the requirement. I want to tell you an example. It looks like simple, but it having its own importance, because first of all, in waterfall software development model, the customer at first line. From that customer, the company, the team which are working in requirement phase, it takes the requirements from the customer. I want to tell you one example. Nowadays there is a problem about ITR filing. Most of the students may have aware about that. If they have the time from their busy schedule playing PUBG. Nowadays there is problem about ITR, income tax return filing. Government has launched a website on 23rd of June. Website means what actually? What we are seeing over here, it is a one type of software, na? It is one type of software. And software development life cycle, we are seeing software development life cycle. Under the software development life cycle, we are seeing one of the model which is waterfall model, right? And waterfall is telling that it takes all the requirements from the customer side, right? And to understand this scenario, we are seeing one example, that is our ITR filing side of Government of India. Nowadays issue is coming over there on ITR filing. Government has launched that site on 3rd of June, and it gives the ultimatum to the most biggest company in India, that is to Infosys. And Infosys has to complete all the scenario of that income tax return file site before 23rd of August. But still there is a problem occurring. And why this happens? Because of that such a big company never gives the attention toward customer requirements. When I use the never gives, it doesn't mean that they have not followed their particular software development life cycle route or path. But if some mistakes happens, it creates big hole, and that big hole is the drastically impact on whole system which is developed. Over here we are talking about ITR filing software, ITR filing website. To your understanding, I am giving one example, and this is the example. Under that, what happened? Customer requirement is that when we create our registration, when we sign up over there, it will create the site will create our login ID and password with the help of me or with the help of customer. In between that, it sends OTP to the customer, for the verification purpose. Have you listening or not? I don't know, but I am telling the example regarding this, why the requirements are necessary. They send the OTP to the customer. Okay, the customer making the complaints over there. This is not a good acknowledgement or communication channel while creating a password for particular login. Customer are making the complaints to the site. My question regarding only to this phase, customer and requirements. for waterfall development with the example of ITR filing, customer login ID and password with their respective OTP verification. My question is that, माझा प्रश्न आहे, if I want to make the test cases over that OTP for the verification of customer, which kinds of test cases you will check over there for the customer satisfaction regarding that OTP? This is also one kind of testing. Have you understand the question? I am telling a real life example. I am telling real life example which nowadays people are facing while submitting the ITR forms. Are you listening? Are you listening or not? I want to check. I will check it, and otherwise I will take the names. Okay. Saurav Lavate has joined. Now you cannot see the PPT. Just I want to check. Yes, Tejal, are you there? Tejal. Pallavi Amolik. And if you are listening and if you are giving the response, then it will create the fun. Otherwise, what will happen? You know, it's just like a formality, and I do not want that formality. मी प्रश्न विचारलाय, ध्यानात आलाय का रे? Hello? Hello? Harshada, please tell me, have you understand the question? And don't take tension, don't take tension. घाबरू नका रे. हर्षदा.
Yes sir.
समजलंय का दीदी मी काय सांगितले, ऐकलंय काय? Have you heard that? Hello? आरती फुलपगार. आरती.
Yes sir.
ऐकलंय का रे? हे बघा, मी सांगतो परत. हे बघा, तिथे त्यांना काय प्रॉब्लेम येत आहेत ना रे? सगळे ऐकताय ना रे? सगळ्यांनी म्हणा एकाच वेळेस येस सर. मग मी सुरू करेल, मग मी सांगतो. व्हेरी गुड. अरे एक नंबर. मी हे बघा, आता त्यांना मी खरं सांगतोय बघा, एक्झाम्पल आहे तुम्हाला. बघा, आता हे काही वॉटरफॉलच्या रिलेटेड आहे असं काही नाही. कस्टमर रिक्वायरमेंट्स प्रत्येक ठिकाणी येईल, बरोबर आहे की नाही? ॲजाईलला पण येईल. आणि एक ध्यानात ठेवा, मी परत एकदा रिपीट करतो, सध्याला ॲजाईल ही टेक्नॉलॉजी सॉफ्टवेअर डेव्हलपमेंटसाठी वापरली जात आहे. ॲजाईल पूर्वी हे वॉटरफॉल आणि याच्यात काय व्हायचं माहिती आहे का? पूर्ण मॉडेल तयार करायचं आणि मगच कस्टमरला द्यायचं, अशी सिस्टीम होती, बरोबर आहे की नाही? पण ॲजाईलमध्ये काय होतं, तुमचा मोबाईल वापरताना रे सर्व. हॅव यू यूज मोबाईल फोन्स, राईट? इट सेंड्स द अपडेट्स टू एव्हरी 5 days टू यू. अक्षदा करतं ना, सेंड करतं ना ते, बरोबर ना अक्षदा? Hello, Akshada. It sends the updates to you every 5 days, 10 days, right? What it means? It is following agile model. Agile model means what? The model which doesn't care about the updation which is created with the particular product. It sends to the customer. It sends to the customer. Oh, update for this model is available. हे अपडेट अवेलेबल आहे, तुम्ही ते अपडेट करून घ्या. मीन्स इट डझंट केअर अबाउट दॅट की अँबॅसिडर ऑफ हिंदुस्तान liver company is there, Hindustan Motors, who launched the Ambassador car in 1950, and till date is there any updation? No, they just launched their car and become free. Nowadays it's not like that की प्रोडक्ट बनवलं आणि सोडून दिलं. नो, कंटिन्युअस इम्प्रूव्हमेंट, कंटिन्युअस अपडेशन, कंटिन्युअस न्यू वर्जन, कंटिन्युअस चेंजेस इज गोइंग ऑन. अँड दिस इज गोइंग ऑन. हे केव्हा चालू आहे? जेव्हा प्रोडक्ट तुमचं अजून वापरात आहे, Your product is in use. It's not like that it becomes outdated. No, your product having demand, your product is in use, and still the companies are sending the updates to that particular product. What is that? It is continuous improvement, and that is agile model companies following now. And we are talking about waterfall, na? Waterfall or remaining all the models apart from the agile, everyone follows the same criteria. Just they create their product and they release the product, and after that if the changes occur, again they launch their new product. This is the strategy the company follows, right? Nowadays it's totally get changed because of agile software development life cycle model. माझा प्रश्न पण हा होता की बाबा ते OTP रिलेटेड जो क्वेश्चन आहे, OTP रिलेटेड जी समस्या आहे त्याच्यासाठी काय टेस्ट केसेस तयार करता येतील. कारण काय झालं माहिती आहे का मुलांनो, OTP जो येतो ना तिकडून ITRच्या वेबसाईट कडून, इट ओनली लिव्स फॉर 10 seconds. It only lives for 10 seconds. It remains only for 10 seconds. So what happened? What happened because of that? What the things happens because of that? To apply the test cases over there as a software tester, which different test cases you will apply? Just tell me. From my side, I will suggest the test case for OTP. Yeah? For OTP. Number one test case. If I want to write the test case on OTP, I will write the test case. टेस्ट केस म्हणजे काय रे, असा एखादा एक स्टडी, एक टेस्ट स्टडी की जो त्याची व्हॅलिडिटी चेक करतो आहे, त्याचे व्हेरिफिकेशन करतो आहे की वेदर इट इज रिलायबल ऑर नॉट, राईट. इट इज कॉल्ड एज टेस्ट केस. मी सांगतो एक टेस्ट केस त्या OTP रिलेटेड की टेस्ट OTP शुड बी 6 digit long. OTP should be 6 digit long. This is one test case that I will check. If the system is sending 5 digit OTP, it means it is showing bug. It is showing bug in the software if it is sending 5 digit bug. And when the system will send the 5 digit OTP, if there is code written in the website or any application like that, then it will send 5 digit. Na? But my test case is that, because test cases are nothing but the ideal instructions to follow and to follow a good path to get ideal output. Nothing but test cases. Test cases म्हणजे चांगला रस्ता फॉलो करून चांगल्या गोष्टी मिळवणे. Nothing but test cases. Then and then test cases are required ना. Otherwise why there is a need to test our body? आपली बॉडी चेक करायची काय गरज आहे टेस्ट करायची? कारण चांगला रस्ता निवडायचा आहे and healthy output पाहिजे. That's why test cases, right? समजतंय काय? From my side, test case number 1 for module, test for module, login page, description or suggestion is that OTP should be 6 digit long. This is from my side. Then tell me at least 5 to 10 different test cases. If you are there and listening me, then you can tell me. Okay, just tell me. Akshada Roham, Aarti Fulpagar, Ashwini, very good. Oh, very good, very good. Means some people are sending the message or response to me on chatting. Very good. Tejal Garud has sent message me कि there should be a time limitation. Test case number 2, time limitation, right? Means we have to check the test case number 2, the time, description, OTP sent by the machine should live 20 seconds. If it is not get live 20 seconds, our software testing machine should show bug. This is the role of tester. Huh? When the tester checks or tester applies the different test cases on OTP, the 2 test cases we have checked over here, 6-digit long, then OTP should live 20 seconds, it will check. Third, okay, very good, it is received only on registration, very good. Darshana Patil has sent me the answer in chat box through message. Third test case number 3, OTP should come on. OTP should display on registered mobile number. Otherwise, what will happen? Because many times for many applications, we always register different mobile numbers. And if the system sends that OTP to another mobile number, which is we have registered for another application of income tax website, then it is again nonsense thing. 3 things or 3 test cases we have generated. Next, I want from everyone, very good Tejal, very good Darshana. Though the Darshana has joined late, but Darshana having means a sense of understanding what exactly going on over here. Very good Darshana. Then next, Akshada, Ashwini, then Dipti Dhanvate, Harshada Borkar, Harshada Thorat, Mayuri Kale, then Pallavi Amolik, Pooja Patole, Pratibha Mane, Priyanka Kale, Sharika Shinde, Shivani Cholke, Shraddha Bankar. I want the answer from you. I will not move ahead without your response.
OTP should be generated within time period.
Yes, test case number 4. As Tejal Garud said that it should live 20 seconds, but I think Shraddha or Shivani, I don't know who said that, but she said that OTP should send within a selected or within a restricted time span. Means if the OTP comes after 10 minutes, then what is the use? Then there is no use, right? So this is test case number 4. Then which test cases? And the same thing, you people will thinking about that. Oh sir, what is this? This is software testing. These test cases we have to apply. In your LP4 there are 2 practicals. We have to take one model, one software, and on which we have to apply different test cases by using one software tool. That software tool is known as Selenium. Selenium WebDriver we have to use. When you will become free after that 2 o'clock, please check it. Siddhi, Snail Anarse, from your side, if you are listening, don't just listen to things. Very good. It is one-time password. Again, it is one-time password means what? What you want to say? You are correct, no matter. What I am understanding with your message, there should be no repetition of password. If we not receive OTP first time, resend OTP. Verify how many times user can provide invalid OTP. Verify that once used. Okay. Very good. Means now very good, Pooja. Means number of possibilities you are sending to me, and very good thinking power you are having, thinking ability you are having regarding one short case OTP sending. Alright. OTP should be given both on number as well as email. Very good. Dipti Dhanvate sends the message in which she sends that OTP should be sent on both platforms, email also as well as SMS also. It is also again good thing for the security purpose or for the reason of range purpose. These are the very good suggestions you have given regarding OTP. आता मला हेच सांगायचं होतं, तुम्ही घरी जाऊन विचारा ज्यांचे पालक ITR भरत असतील, काय झालं, हे जी साइट आहे इन्कम टॅक्सची, तिने OTP ला टाइम दिला फक्त 10 सेकंड. मीन्स आवर OTP lives only 10 seconds. It remains only 10 seconds. Is it possible to the customer if the customer having only 10 seconds in his hand, sometimes to get the OTP requires 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, customer gets the OTP. Sometimes to move from one page to another page, it requires 5 to 6 seconds. And to read the OTP and to recall it, it requires 4 to 5 seconds again. So people are complaining by calculating this time, and the errors occurs because of this time, this type of OTP time given by the site. People are complaining over there. Means the company like Infosys, if working in this way, it means what? It means the job of tester is not satisfied. It is not up to the mark. That's why the problem occurs for the Infosys. Am I correct? Primarily we are talking this to understand. Am I correct, Dipti? It's
Yes,
mainly because of tester who are working on particular module. What do you think? It's most probably negligence of tester, na?
yes, sir.
First customer, then requirements. So over here the requirement should be get validated, then design. After taking the requirements, system is get designed, then coding. Design means what? Design means how page should work, how there should be the flow of number of pages of particular application. If the flow is not properly designed, then it will create the headache for the customer. Are you agree? Most of the time such things happens with us, and it happens with us, the websites of state Maharashtra most of the time. It's the not case with for Amazon, Google, Facebook, right? It's not it's not with such international applications design. The flow should be properly managed of different pages of particular application. Coding, when the flow is get managed, then the coding according to that page is get written. When the coding is get finished, then which things comes? Testing. When the testing is there, after the coding. When the testing is finished, then deployment, means actual implementation of product or software, and after that maintenance. Here maintenance word is used, right? Maintenance means not update. Update is get mixed with the previous version without hampering previous version. Maintenance is doing the repairing of previous one. Have you understand the meaning of update and maintenance? If I ask the same question to you, Bankar, have you understand? Bankar, मला सांगा maintenance and update मधला फरक. बनकर
Yes, sir.
ध्यानात आलाय का मेंटेनन्स आणि अपडेट मधला फरक? जर मला सांगा हे जर अजाईल मॉडेल असतं तर मेंटेनन्सच्या ऐवजी तिथे काय शब्द असता? Which word would be there? अरे मेंटेनन्स म्हणजे काय रे? मेंटेनन्स म्हणजे अपडेट होतं का ते, की आहे त्यालाच रिपेअरिंग करतो आपण? अरे मेंटेनन्स म्हणजे आहे त्यालाच रिपेअर करणे मेंटेनन्सचा अर्थ, आणि अपडेट म्हणजे जे आहे त्याच्यामध्ये मॉडिफिकेशन करणं परंतु जुनं पण बंद न करणं, राईट, कॉल्ड ॲज अपडेशन. तुमचा मोबाईलमध्ये अपडेट येतं का मेंटेनन्स होतं दर 10 दिवसाला? सांगा ना रे, असं काय करता?
अपडेट.
हा,
अपडेट.
अपडेट होतं ना, अपडेट होतं ना रे सोनाली. सोनाली, उत्कर्षा, उत्कर्षा ऐकतंय की नाही मला सांगा बरं. अरे अपडेट, मोबाईलमध्ये अपडेट येतं, मेंटेनन्स नाही येत, बरोबर आहे की नाही? पण आपण कोणतं मॉडेल बघतोय म्हणून तिथं शब्द असा आला. विच मॉडेल वी आर सीइंग?
Waterfall model.
It's old model na, right Snail, very good. At least you have given the reply. I feel very good. Shraddha Bankar is not there, no matter. We are seeing old software development life cycle na, that we follow, our industry followed in 1990s or in 2000, right? Now agile is there. There is update, there is no maintenance. Okay, have you understand? The remaining are same. The remaining things are same for incremental, prototyping, rapid, agile. It is different. Okay. Here agile development approach given. I am not going to discuss the remaining one. Agile. Please see conception, initiation, analysis, design, construction, testing, deployment. These are the different phases of agile development. It is not called as waterfall. It is not called as waterfall. Why not? Why you think it is called as agile? I have told to you. Just I want one line from your side. अरे भाई, it is called as agile, or this process. If you follow this process, which you can see over here, if you follow this process, then it is agile. Why it is agile? Because after deployment there is update. After deployment there is update. There is no maintenance. Means the same model remains over there, and updation goes on, and it reduces the cost of production also, because on same model we are working, right? On same model of Oppo, I don't know the names of models, A5 or 6.5 or whatever, they are working, they are just sending the updation. जरी असं नसतं तर प्रत्येक अपडेटला मोबाईल तयार करावा लागला असता. बरोबर बोलतोय काय? एम आय टॉकिंग राईट? सोनाली, उत्कर्षा, वैष्णवी देटे, वैष्णवी, सोनाली, शिवानी चोळके, शिवानी बोला रे ऍटलिस्ट. नाही बोलायचं का? प्रतिभा.
Yes, sir.
हा, प्रतिभा बोलली. कोण बोललं? हा, ओके, व्हेरी गुड. Who is talking? Don't know. Vaishnavi that. Vaishnavi, just tell me, if the company nowadays follow waterfall model or interactive model or prototype model, if they follow, or spiral model, if they follow such models, then what will happen? If we take the example of mobile, for every update they have to launch new product. New product means what? New mobile. Is it possible? Is this possible? With respect to the cost, with respect to the profit, with respect to the plant installation, with respect to the hardware, is it possible? Vaishnavi, हे possible आहे का? नाही possible, right? It is not possible. So the condition is get drastically changed. Why? Because of this agile model. Though the updation or update happens for particular model. Model is designed or developed in such a way it adopts that update and works with by making a complementary to the previous software. That's why it is called as agile development. First part is conception. In waterfall there was customer. Here conception means first of all design the concept. First of all think about the concept, think about the idea, then initiation, then start. First concept, then start, then analyze the things, because now we have the idea and we have started. Okay, then we have started the things on it. Then start the analysis. Over here in in waterfall, third stage or third phase was that? Third phase? Design. Over here analysis. After the analysis there is design. Then construction, then testing, then deployment, and then update. Not maintenance, update. मला एकच लाईन मध्ये सांगा, अजाईल आणि वॉटरफॉल मध्ये काय फरक आहे? मोबाईलच्या ज्या अपडेट आहेत त्यानुसार. मग आपण लेक्चर क्लोज करू. देन वी विल क्लोज द लेक्चर. कुणी पण एक सांगा, मग मला समजेल की तुम्हाला अजाईल डेव्हलपमेंट म्हणजे याचा अर्थ ध्यानात आलाय. कुणी पण एक सांगा, लगेच संपू आपण लेक्चर. जस्ट टेल मी. Tejal, please tell me. Tejal. In agile there is updation and in waterfall there is maintenance. Okay. Very good. Agile is the continuous process. Thank you. We will see another topic of our unit number 1. Thank you.